Hey, this is Teddy Burris, your LinkedIn coach and trainer. The question I got this morning was, are LinkedIn profiles public? And the answer is yes, with a few caveats. First of all, if the person who is looking at your profile is logged into LinkedIn and they are a first or second level connection, often a third level connection, but sometimes that's not always the case, then they can see your entire LinkedIn profile. Again, while logged into LinkedIn, first and second level connections can all see your LinkedIn profile with no restrictions unless you block that LinkedIn member. Secondly, outside of LinkedIn, and you do a LinkedIn search for Teddy Burris, LinkedIn, or any words that can find me, they can find your profile, and dependent upon how you set up your profile for public access, then anybody outside of LinkedIn can also see your LinkedIn profile. Again, dependent upon how you set your profile up. Now, let me show you what I mean by that. If I go to my contact information, I'm back in LinkedIn, I'm logged in as Teddy, and I go to my contact information, and I click the pencil, and I click right here on public profile, click on that little arrow right there. The little arrow right there. This brings up my public profile settings, and this is in context to what people who are outside of LinkedIn, who are not logged into LinkedIn, what they could see. Now let me show you your options. First of all, I have to show my name. That's required. But I can hide my profile picture if I want to, or I can make it totally public. Secondly, I can go to each one of these sections of my LinkedIn profile, and I can turn them on or turn them off. I'm going to turn them all off for a moment. Once I've turned off my public profile settings and turned off all of the ability for them to see anything, I'm hiding everything. All someone can see when they do a Google search, let's go do a Google search. There's my profile, and that's all they're going to see because I've turned off everything else. Go back to LinkedIn. So the question is your LinkedIn profile public? And the answer is yes. If they're logged into LinkedIn, they can see everything. If they're looking at you without logging into LinkedIn, then you get to determine what they are or are not allowed to see when you edit your LinkedIn public profile URL and you turn on or you turn off various sections. I'm Teddy Burris, your LinkedIn coach and trainer, and I hope that's helpful.